But yeah, in general this weekend has been quite good for us. Started out very difficult, but we made some big improvements yesterday. We made, I think, quite a good qualifying session. Small crash, but nothing to be worried about. And we'll see today because I think Jorge and Danny look very fast. I think we can, if we can find something with the setting before the race, then we can for sure challenge them for a victory today. But for sure it'll be very difficult.
Dopo vi traduco così magari non lasciamo anche andare Casey. Another question, just to know, a lot of pressure, a lot of fan. This is a Ducati home track. How do you feel about this?
Yeah, for sure. I mean, this year I would have liked to have had a better result in Mugello, and last year I unfortunately was unable to race here. This year it's been difficult for us and difficult to win any races, but today I think is one of the best opportunities we've had so far. And maybe we can do it today, but like I said, we have to try and find something for the race, try to find something different in the setting, and see if we can get a little bit more speed. But for sure, I think it will be a fantastic race today.
Thank you. I know that you have to go to the brick with the technician. Today we have a special lottery, so you have to sign just 4 autographs, and I will make the lottery. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Bravo!
Grazie!
Fagli fare una foto! Stefano, stai là che facciamo una... Giratevi che fate una foto, ragazzi, giratevi!